Morning students, I hope you are well and safe. So in today's class we are going to do exercise 2B. Okay, we are done with the previous exercises. We are done with exercise 2A and the oral exercises, right? So today we are going to start exercise 2B. Okay, so let's start. Now the first question. Now what does the first question say? Let me give the number here. The first question is 17 into 3. 17 into 3. Okay. So 3 into 7. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. So we are going to write 21 here. Okay. Now 21, we are going to cut this one and we are going to put this one here. And this 2, we are going to carry it forward to here. Okay. So now 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 5. So the answer becomes 51. Okay. So the answer becomes 51. You solve the question in your copy and write the answer in your book. See, I have written 51 here. So you do it too. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 2. Now what does question number 2 say? 18 into 4. 18 into 4. Let's just write 18 here. 18 into 4. Okay. Now 4 eights are. Now see one thing students. You can either count 4 into 8, 4 into 8, or you can either count 8 into 4, 8 into 4. Whatever is easy for you. In both these cases, the answer will be 32. You can either count 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32. You can either count 4 into 8 or you can either count the multiplication or table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. Whatever is easy for you. In both these cases, the answer will always be 32 only. So 8 fours are 32. Okay. So as I said before, we are going to cut this 2 and we are going to write it here. Okay. Now 3, this 3 remains, right? We are going to carry it forward to here. So 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. Now this is done, so we are going to cut it. We have used 2 and we have also used 3. So we are going to cut this. It is done. Okay. So now let's move on to question number 3. 3. Now what does question number 3 say? 23 into 4. 23 into 4. Right. So 4 threes are, how much is 4 into 3? Very good. It is 12. We are writing 12 here. Similarly, we are going to cut this 2 and write here. And what are we going to do with this one? We are going to carry it forward to here. So then 4 into 2 plus 1. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9. See? So easy. We are done with this 12. So we are going to cut it. Okay. Very easy, isn't it? Now let's move on to question number 4. 4 is 22 into 4. This is a very easy one. We don't even have to, carry forward anything here. See here? 22 into 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. See? Very easy. Done. We did not have to carry forward anything here, isn't it? We did not have to carry forward anything. We got a single digit number. 4 twos are 8. 4 2s are 8. Okay. Now remember to write these answers in your book also. Solve it and then write it in your book. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 5. We are done with 4. So question number 5. Now what does question number 5 say? 35 into 2. 35 into 2. 5 2s are 10. I have told you can either count 2 5s are 10 or 5 2s are 10. 10 we got 10 right. Now what are we going to do? Tell me. Yes, we are going to cut this 0 and put this 0 here. Then what are we going to do this one? Now what will this one do? It is very sad. It needs to go somewhere. It will sit here. Then 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1. What? 7. Done. See? Very easy. Very easy. Now question number 6. 21 into 2. This is also a very easy one, right? 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. See? 2 seconds. We only took 2 seconds to do this sum. Easy. Done. Okay. Now question number 7. Okay. Now we will start. Let me draw a line here. Let me draw. Line has been drawn. Now we will do question number 7. Do question number 7. Now question number 7 is 28 into 3. 28 into 3. 28 into 3. Done. Now as I said, you can either count 8 table, the table of 8, or you can either count the table of 3, because 8 into 3 is 24 and 3 into 8 is also 24. So whatever is easy for you, you can do that. Okay. So I am going to count the table of 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So I am going to write 24 here. Okay. Now I am going to cut this 4 and I am going to write this 4 here. Now what will this add 2 go? Now SAT 2 will sit on top of this 2. Right? Now 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. So the answer becomes 84. Done. So the answer becomes 84. Okay. Now we are done with this 24. So we are going to cut this 24. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 8. 27 into 4. Okay. Question number 8. 27 into 4. Now which is easy? Counting the 4 table 7 times or counting the 7 table 4 times? Counting the 7 table 4 times, isn't it? So let's count 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. We are going to cut this 8 and write this 8 here and carry forward this 2. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 9, 10. So we got a 3-digit number as the answer. We got a 3-digit number 108 as the answer. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 9. Number 9 is 27 into 3. Easy. This was 27 into 4. This is 27 into 3. Now let's do 27 into 3. 27 into 3. 7 3s are. Now let's do the opposite. Let's count the 3 table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21. Now you tell me, what are we going to do? Yes, we are going to take this one and put it here. Quickly put it here and carry forward this 2 here. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. So the answer becomes 23. 27 into 3 becomes 81. 7 3s are 21. We cut this one and put it here and carry forward this 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. So the answer becomes 81. We are done with this 21. We are going to cut it. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 10. Question number 10 is 33 into 3. 33 into 3. This is also easy. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Done. Easy. We only took 2 to 3 seconds to do this. Complete this sum. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. See here. We did 22 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Here 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9. Okay. So I did till question number 10. I did till question number 10. For your homework, you do till question number 21. For your homework, you start from question number 11. You start from question number 11 and do till 21. 21. Okay. Do till 21. The sums are very easy. You can easily do it. So then let's end here today. Let's end today's class. Okay. Bye students. Bye.